this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a Make-A-Wish stand in Please Donate in Roblox. Make sure that you watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. To begin, you're going to go into your search bar and search Make-A-Wish. You'll be able to see this one that has a little rainbow icon next to it. Make sure to join it. This is where it gets a little tedious. Once it loads up, you're going to have to use the chat function and click, once you get to the actual grass, you have wishes. So wish for a stand. You can also wish for a booth, but sometimes stand works best. You'll then click on the play button right here and you'll get a Robux bin. Once you do that, you'll actually have to use your chat function once again to say Robux. Once you say Robux, as you can see, a little bit goes into your jar. But unfortunately, you're going to have to keep using it and saying Robux to raise 100% of Robux. Once you have 100% of Robux raised, you can feel free to actually leave the Make-A-Wish game and go back to Please Donate. And as per usual, once you load up, you'll be able to claim and edit your stand once again with your brand new stand that you have gotten with this tutorial. So, as I just said, claim the stand, then edit it, click the settings wheel, and if you scroll, you will see the Make-A-Wish booth. That's all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.